Honorable Taufik Ajideso Abimbola. Did you get the name? And Honorable Abiante.
Mr. Speaker, I stand
Go ahead.
to move the bills of an act to establish decontamination centers within each of the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria with the responsibility of cleaning, disinfecting, and sterilization of medical devices and instruments prior to reuse with a view to preventing transmission of iatrogenic infection, also called hospital-acquired infection, and for related purposes.
Maybe say no. The eyes have it.
Not disease that you have before. It is disease that you acquired as a result of you visit health institutions. And then we now look at it. What caused all these things? What is really causative agent? We realize that in Nigeria, our hospitals, Federal Medical Center, private hospitals, private homes, we don't have a standard sterilized equipment. The instruments that are being used for the patients are not duly sterilized before it is being reused for another person. How do I mean that? If you visit almost all the clinics in Nigeria, the only machine you will see in their surgery room and all that is mere autoclaving. Autoclaving can only kill germs, but there are some germs that cannot be killed unless the sterilization reach a certain degree of heat. Spores and all that, they are very heat adaptations. So unless you use a kind of sterilization machine that can sanctify that kind of pores or germs as actually killed, in which there should be a measure, there should be something that can measure that. Once you wash your sterilization equipment, there should be a device that will actually confirm to you that this equipment is well cleaned, free of germ, before you can reuse it for another patient. It is not that if you go to our institution, our Federal Medical Center and all that, it's in the same building where they are operating patients. That is in the same building where the surgical equipment is being washed. And then, what do I see again? Because I visited many clinics. You will see a doctors attending to like 30, 40 patients in a day. Especially those in charge of delivery of our, of our patient's mother, our nursing mother. You will see even a doctor boasting that he have done about 10 to 15 CX for our dear mother in a day. You will now ask yourself, how do you do about these things? What was the process when you are done with one? What was the process of cleaning all this equipment before you now reuse it for another patient? You will see, get it clearly that because some certain equipment must even take some certain times before it can be certified from germs and free from germs and decks and all that. So these are the problems we are facing in Nigeria. We have